You are welcome to ABC Creative Art TV. Please join me in this art tutorial as we draw nature's beauty using a B pencil on a piece of white paper. Please, as you watch this video, hit the like and subscription buttons and also drop a comment so that YouTube can distribute this video to a wider audience. Thank you. Do also get your own drawing materials, a paper and a B pencil ready so that after watching the video from beginning to the end, you can also create your own drawing. You can do it, I truly believe. approaching the end of this art drawing tutorial, Nature's Beauty, a drawing on paper with a B pencil. Please remember to like, subscribe to the video by hitting the relevant buttons, and also drop a comment so that we can have a feedback. From all of us at ABC Creative Art TV, we say thank you for watching and subscribing. See you in the next video.